I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. I'm here with Eduardo Portelada. He is the Investor Relations Director at 2W Energia. Eduardo, wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
No, pleasure to be here. Thanks for inviting us.
Now, a quick note to our viewers before we get started. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, Eduardo, tell me about the company.
Well, we basically provide low-cost clean energy to Brazilian consumers. And we do that using a very flexible commercialization strategy, choosing in between what is the wholesale market, which basically means big companies that have already migrated to the free market, and what we call retail segment, which basically are small and medium enterprises that could have migrated to the free market but haven't done it yet. And we'll help them on this process.
Okay, so Eduardo, talk to me about your generation assets, both under construction and in the pipeline.
Okay, we do have 400 megawatts under construction. It's split in two wind projects. Project number one is more than 50% constructed, and we'll start producing energy this year. And project number two, we also started it, and it's scheduled to start producing in 2023. On the pipeline front, Brazil still has several projects that are very good in terms of load factor, which can surpass 60% onshore, which is pretty good compared to the rest of the world. So there's plenty of opportunities in terms of capital allocation going forward.
Okay, now finally tell me, what are the prospects for the market and for your company?
Yeah, 2W actually means second wave, because we are leading the second wave migration of Brazilian consumers to the free market, okay? And there's currently a Liberalization Act in discussion in Congress, which would allow all Brazilian consumers to migrate to the free market, including residentials, in the coming years. So we are well positioned to take advantage on that front. And of course, we think about getting the support of capital markets for developing our very ambitious growth plan. So we're considering not only the local capital markets, but also international one.
All right. Yeah. Well, Eduardo, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you very much. See you soon again.